FedEx just arrived, so I thought we'd do another unboxing video, because this is actually something that hasn't gone out to everyone or been out on the market for very long yet. The iPad 2. And the kids obviously appreciate it. Good solid pre-packaging. I'm filming, sweetie, so she can back up. And Daddy's not Cyclops. Alright. There she be. The engraving is nice, the engraving function. It was free from Apple. Can't really feel it. It doesn't seem like it's actually engraving. It looks like it's more professional back printing.
Daddy, watch. I'm Cyclops.
Impressive.
But I don't have any homework today.
We're filming now.
Oh.
There she be. Alright. So, included in here we have the quick start and care documentation. Oh, some Apple stickers.
Apple stickers.
You don't call this a dad's diary for nothing. The sync cable. Proprietary sync cable, so we can't just plug it in with anything. But there that be. And the sync cable conveniently then plugs into the power brick, AC adapter if we so choose, so we can charge either at a computer or not. USB port, looks like a fold out power prongs. Let's see real fast if we can go ahead and turn her on, or if we have to charge it first. But this was actually fairly straightforward as far as unboxing goes. I was expecting more, but it's a small device, so relatively small device, so I suppose it doesn't really need a lot of packaging. Apple seems to be keeping an environmentally friendly profile too, so we'll go ahead and cut out here.